Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the address autofill feature in Mozilla Firefox. So when you're using certain checkout features like for shipping or delivery, you sometimes will notice that the address will automatically fill in. If you want to turn that off and just manually type it in for any of those websites in question, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by selecting the menu icon in the top right corner of the browser. Just go ahead and left click on that and then go down and select settings. On the left side, select privacy and security. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath forms and autofill and you want to uncheck the option to autofill addresses. And if you have any saved addresses, you might want to click on that button right next to it and delete anything that's listed in here and then just select the remove button once you've selected it. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.